Okay, now that you have submitted your assignment and 1 week have passed by, so you are here to check your marks to get your feedback, right? So many of you are tensed. This is the first time you have submitted something on Turnitin, so you're really tensed. What's going to happen? What's the mark that you're gonna get? So maybe you have prayed to God for your marks and really tensed like this guy. so okay. So let me show you how to check your grades on Turnitin. So first of all, go to Turnitin again and then log in. Okay. So the details is already here. So log in with your details. Yes. So we are here. This is your course. So just get into the course. Click on the class name. Yes, now we are here. So I guess you are already familiar with this page, right? So you have the assignment title, and I have intentionally blacked out this portion, right? So that it does not create any confusion. So today is 9th July and all the scripts have been marked by now. So feedbacks are available for checking, right? So now you can check your marks here. So for that, the first thing you need to do is click on view, right? So if you select view, a separate window will open. All right. So this is your feedback page. So let's just maximize it. Yeah. So on the left hand side, you'll have your whole assignment. And on the right hand side, you'll have your overall feedback, right? So let me explain it part by part. So the most important thing that you are waiting for is basically the marks, right? So if you go look at the top right corner of your window, you will see the overall marks here. So it's 7 out of 10 in this case, right? So which is more or less good score. So 7 out of 10. So this is the overall marks. Now, if you look at the right hand side, here is the detailed instructor feedback on your assignment. There are two parts of it. So there is a voice comment and there is a text comment. Now, let me tell you, oftentimes it might be the case that the instructor has provided you only a voice comment but not any text comment, or even there might be some cases where you get no voice comment but only a single text comment. So it's not always the case that you will get both these comments. Maybe one of them is available only. So in this case, your instructor has provided you both the comments, right? So in the text comment, as you can see, here the instructor has written an overall feedback about your assignment. So as it is written here, the work is of good quality. However, one of the para is completely copy pasted from the internet, and that is a major offense. So this is the overall feedback for your assignment in text form. Now, again, if you go into the voice comment, again, there might be sometimes your instructor has provided you a recorded message as feedback. So let's just play it. Let's just hear the voice comment here. The work is of good quality overall. However, one of the para is completely copy pasted, completely plagiarized from the internet, and that is a major offense. So next time when you submit an assignment, try to keep the plagiarism percentage within limits, and I guess you will be able to score better. Thank you. See, now as you can see here, both the comments are available, and I'm sure that you are more or less now have seen what are the general feedback types that you are going to get in your assignment. Now, on the left hand side, there are further detailed comments. So this blue speech bubbles, these are individual comments on specific areas of your assignment. Here is one and there is another one. So if you go there, hover your cursor around and then click on these bubbles, you will see the individual comments. So as it is written here, this is copied from the internet. So this whole para is copied from the internet and your instructor has individually or specifically mentioned it in a comment, right? So once you are done reading, just click on it again, click on the speech bubble again, and it will be gone, right? So this is one comment. If we go into the next comment here, click on the speech bubble, and then yes, this part is well written. So this is another individual feedback, right? So again, once you are done, click on it again, done. So these are individual comments. Now, another type of feedback that you are going to get is grammatical errors. So as you can see, this is an article error, this is a word error, so you will get individual grammatical corrections as well. And finally, there might be places where your instructor has crossed out specific sections of your assignment. Maybe this is not necessary for this assignment, or this part is wrong, so that's why your instructor has crossed it out. So this is another type of feedback. So these are the basic individual level feedbacks, or detail level feedbacks that you might get. One is individual comment, the other is grammatical correction, and the last one is strike through or crossed out parts of your assignment. So again, the right hand side contains your instructor feedback, the left hand side contains your individual detailed feedbacks, right? So I guess this is a brief overview of your whole assignment, and just to tell you again, you will get your overall marks at the top right corner. Now, in case, say you have done checking your assignment, right? So in case you want to download a copy of your assignment, so just select this option. So it's download. So click on it. Now you can either download a current view or a digital receipt or the originally submitted file, the one without feedback that you submitted. That's without feedback, the original one that you submitted. Now, usually the option that you are going to choose is current view. So if you select current view, so it's preparing to download. Okay, so now just select your destination and then just download it. So save file. So done. The assignment is downloaded onto your PC. So I guess that is a summary of the whole feedback session. So just to summarize very briefly, here you will get your overall marks. On this side, you will get your instructor feedback, be it voice comment or and text comment or either one of them. And on the left hand side, you will get detailed feedbacks, which may include speech bubbles containing individual comments, and then grammatical errors pointed out, and finally strike through comments or crossed out sections in your assignment. So I guess this is the overall picture regarding feedback. So this is how you can check your assignments for feedbacks. That's all for today. Thank you for your time. See you in the next lecture.